fans, many secrets where grandpapa no want may Regina Daniel talk. He won't put this madness, this colometals for Regina Daniel head by force. So that the time where Regina Daniel go talk, also worry go drag am, go say Regina Daniel talk am out of colometals. Now, what is that thing? Remember the way Regina Daniel say no grandpapa. Grandpapa they give scholarship for school, for people who won't go school. Regina Daniel can't go for that scholarship. He and his mama, they can't go for scholarship. When they go, they see grandpapa. As they see grandpapa finish, grandpapa can't give Regina Daniel another date where she go take go, where she will take concern. That day can't reach, Regina Daniel can't go. That very day, now grandpapa take advantage of Regina Daniel. That very day, now something happen. I know what talk. If you understand, you understand. That very day, now the knocking starts for that office where Regina Daniel for go see grandpapa. After grandpapa don't do one, grandpapa can continue and say, call the knock Regina Daniel they go. Call the knock the poor girl. Till the girl can carry belly. Fear no let the girl reach us, tell the mama say, see what happen. She can't keep her. But she can't tell her friend where they call Anne. Say, Anne, see what happen. No? See what this old man do. So, meanwhile, and that time it already take it. Call tell Anne say, be like say, she get below, she not see at this thing. Now Anne can say, which kind of mistake be that? Why you not tell her? She say she no know. Say the old man tell her may not tell anybody. And even if she won't try, even tell yourself, she know the feel they talk. I'm at the close. Now Aunt Koto say, your mother would be very disappointed in you. Hey, sure go carry belly for this kind old man. How come? How it happen? Hey, now Aunt say, this one a shame. Hey, oh, you Regina Daniel, how many years you did? I beg, this thing we go remove him. So, grandpapa, according to the information, now so Regina Daniel, they can't go wash down and come out. Regina Daniel can't they give grandpapa space in order near the man. The man can't they find out they come. Regina Daniel can't fall inside the trap again. According to Regina Daniel's best friend, said the reason why he and grandpapa no go ever agree. He said because grandpapa used something for Regina Daniel. He said no be Regina Daniel clear eye. He said they talk on that time, he said but nobody believe him. He said he tell grandpapa face to face, say, grandpapa, what you use for a friend, release him. How a friend go say he love you? How? They say friend will be say he never wanted you. When the love they start. If friend fall in love, you go come tell and say, this man, this old man, but I love him. But if friend never ever tell him when they say he love you, this old man, you they use charm for this a friend. Anne, which is Regina Daniel's best friend, stand on her word, say, grandpapa used something for Regina Daniel. It was not ordinary. Wonder shall never end. So, according to the information, now so Regina Daniel cause to go meet grandpapa again as the man just land down the other belly because he knows say small Regina Daniel go wrong. Now he say marriage you don't get belly, na marriage. Now they take marry Regina Daniel. So all these things when they happen so, the one way mama Regina Daniel yeah, now the second belly. That first time mama Regina Daniel no know. You no even know say grandpapa to dey sleep with pikin. Now I make Regina Daniel the verse. They insist say grandpapa marry her for 17 years because she no want talk now. Because according to what we hear, most of these things are reserved for court case. Now I make Regina Daniel they see say he married me when I was little. When I was little. It was not Regina Daniel plan. It was not Regina Daniel that wanted to be with this old man. Regina Daniel is a victim. Let me put it like that. Allegedly. Let me put it like that. Regina Daniel is a victim. Regina Daniel never wanted this so-called thing of a relationship. So, when that second one come, now grandpapa reach out to mama Regina Daniel say, in date your pikin, they just like themselves, the thing just enter like that. Now mama Regina Daniel, before she go talk, they don't use money close their mouth. But yeah, now so marriage they go on. They rush to that marriage. If you listen to Regina Daniel say the marriage was rushed because Belle don't already enter. So according to Regina Daniel, her friend Anne was never happy with Grandpapa. Anne still believed that Grandpapa they used something on Regina Daniel. You know, believe that Regina Daniel just purposely fall for Grandpapa. Grandpapa now need to defend himself because una see the way I tell explain this thing give una so. If una watch the way the story be from the beginning, which Regina Daniel get evidence for everything when it happened. A lot of things, now the tip I just tell now, a lot of things happened before the marriage. Yeah, Regina Daniel, friend where they call Anne. I see everything. They get evidence to shock you. They owe evidence on their own side. So that is the reason Grandpapa wants to make the world believe say Regina Daniel she dey kolo. So that anything where Regina Daniel they talk now, they go say she is kolo metus. Now let's see the disclaimer of yesterday. Una see and say the result yesterday when it come aside. They call they talk say the results no dey Grandpapa page. No be Grandpapa poster. Say now no person I poster. Say the results no be real. As you understand, they even call the hospital. Hospital say results no be real. Hospital say they not do test with Regina Daniel. Now it be like say Grandpapa that thing cast. No, I no say cast yesterday. So it be like say Grandpapa don't pass backyard now. Be like say Grandpapa don't do backyard waka. Now no say sabi do backyard waka. Sabi pass back. Go put change for people pocket. I don't know. Because now he don't come aside. Can't defend that results. This same man was saying that he did not post that video. That result was not posted by him. He don't know anything about the results. But today now, Grandpapa don't come out. Can't talk another one. According to Grandpapa, he said the medical reports are real. I am insisting on therapy because several of Regina Daniel's decisions to leave the marriage are not coming from a fully clear and balanced state of mind, Ned Nwoko says. A medical report concerning Regina Nwoko has been circulating online. The results are genuine. The Rehabilitation Center only clarified that it did not publish or circulate the document, which is expected because medical institutions must protect clients confidentially. They did not deny authoring the report. Their concern is the leak itself. The public is encouraged to read the full report because they explain the situation clearly and directly. Both the toxicology report and the Serenity Hospital report confirm the presence of the same substance at all levels that poses serious health risk. So, una see, Grandpapa now don't claim say the results are truth. Because he must make the world believe say Regina Daniel is not okay with her brain. He still talking for her. He say wetin they come from Regina Daniel coming from a fully clear and balanced state of mind. These are what you want to use against Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel is not okay. Regina Daniel is taking Ekpemiri white substance. She's not okay. Everything she's saying, she's not okay. That is exactly what Grandpapa wants to paint Regina Daniel. So that anytime Regina Daniel come to say anything about him or his secret or how they met, people will say she don't hide. She's talking out of highness. Una see, Grandpapa, una see the posting. Grandpapa post waiting they say she dey take. Post where, female where. So that una go see her, una go know say Regina Daniel is not okay. According to waiting Grandpapa, hey God, this man, now wow, Regina Daniel, you read me too. Imagine waiting 70 years old man they post. A medical report concerning Regina Daniel has been circulating online. The reports are genuine. Now here, he said the thing are genuine. He see waiting, he say Regina Daniel they take marijuana, coke, muff. See, Now see wetin this man write, alcohol at a critically dangerous level. The Nize Hospital report dated 3rd October adds an even more troubling detail. She was brought into the hospital unconscious from a Ikpimiri overdose. These facts are documented, consistent, and deeply alarming. The reports also describe the challenges the rehabilitation center faced, including persistent interference from her sibling. They openly stated that they do not see anything wrong in giving her alcohol and weed even while she was undergoing rehabilitation. And they have been continuing enabling her substance use. Their actions made effective treatment impossible and remain one of the major reasons she has not been able to complete rehabilitation. Many have questioned why the senator is insisting on therapy. His determination comes from the clear reality that several of Regina's recent decisions are not coming from a stable and healthy frame of mind. Now the year she is vulnerable, unprotected, and exposed to individuals who exploit her for personal gain. Her online behavior reflects her current struggle, and she tends to listen more to public voices than to the medical professional or her husband. Hey! Past attempts to help her privately did not succeed, given the severity of the substance dictated and the documented hospital emergency where she arrived unconscious. It is no longer an issue that can be handled quietly. At this point, the question becomes, must we wait until Regina reaches a point of irreversible harm before we support her, encourage her to stop substance abuse, and help her to commit to rehabilitation? Distinguished senator is genuinely and deeply concerned. His tone, his action, and his persistencies all reflect a man who wants Regina to recover, to be safe, to be clear-minded, and to be present for her two young sons. Until those boys are old enough to guide her themselves, he will continue doing everything within his responsibility to help restore our well-being and ensure that future choices are made with clarity. The message remains clear. The reports are authentic. The hospitals and rehabilitation centers did not leak them. The findings speak for themselves. Regina needs consistent treatment, support and protection, not denial, not interference and not enabling. She is a mother and she deserves the chance to regain a healthy and stability. Communication Team Lead, Office of Distinguished Senator Ned Munawuko. Una dey see this old man. The moment this man just say Regina Daniel post a video of her and Tiwa Savage, see say the girl is still, people are still going close to her, people are still with her, not be waiting in plan. Now they happen. Grandpapa wey they talk say they no post that thing on his page, oh, they no post that thing, no be grandpapa post am. He don't come admit say the results not true. Now who post that video? Who post that results? Are they even supposed to post the results? No, they don't have right to post that result. So why did they post it? Una see and say this man, he wants to make the world believe that Regina Daniel the Colometus. Say Regina Daniel is not okay with her brain. Say that thing they turn her head. Wonder shall never end, my people. The story of this grandpapa, they forget, say, his wife, when they call Chantel, now the same addict, now he carry and come out for your house. Your so-called Laila, when you won't carry another people matter put for head. Now this, she still use her own mouth status, say she self, she take. Today now go see wetin Laila post. Laila self though they deny, say she never take am. But now she write and say she was taking it. Grandpapa as we be say they need to go check. Even grandpapa, some people say he still join them. He join them. Now he won't put everything for Regina Daniel head. They want to destroy this girl, but they cannot, because the girl carry star. The moment Regina Daniel post this thing now, Grandpapa don't run come aside. Can't say he had no correct. Because you know, say when people stand with Regina Daniel like this, that word where no one to make una hear. I say no Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel say no this man. This relationship don't tell when Regina Daniel they do. It don't tell. This man say I met her and 3 weeks I married her. Story, story, my people. Wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, the truth, nothing shall prevail. Even if you can't say Regina Daniel, the colo, you know the colo, you want her in rehab. I'm so serious for her to go to rehab. You go arrest the brother. Somebody you want to go to rehab. You arrest the brother. You wanted to arrest the mother. Person where you say you want carry go rehab. Now so they say they do, huh? Now so they say they carry people go rehab. You know, settle with the family, talk to the mother. You started arresting and packing all of them. And you said you want Regina Daniel. You want her to do okay. Hey, wonder shall never end though. That secret where Grandpapa they try protect. So worry don't get her for hand. Now may so worry they challenge you. That's the way you say me Regina Daniel no talk. You don't tell so worry. Now make can they hit your chest, they drag you. Because if so worry through where you on side, oga. Hey. He still dey surprise say people still dey support Regina Daniel. People still stand by her. That secret where Grandpapa dey try hide, that secret don't leak. It don't leak, Grandpapa. It don't leak. The way you tell know this small girl, it not good for you. When we can't dey here, we can't dey carry Mama Regina Daniel, we can't put her for table, we can't cut the woman, we can't pieces her, we won't even chop her. Whereas my people not be waiting, we think, oh, Regina Daniel try to bend the story because waiting happen don't happen. Try to bend the story. Una know say Grandpapa take Regina Daniel as adopted child. He take her like adopted child. Hey, story many, my people. Like all those traveling was based on adoption. Because definitely you are not the father. Where you they go with this child? So it's like kind of adoption. Not wife. Now it travel with Regina Daniel. Was traveling with this girl like adopted child. My people, story full ground. Oh, hey. Now it make them won't put grace for Regina Daniel enemy body. They don't tell Mama Regina Daniel say, this girl protect her. If this man not fit physical, go do am spiritual. Because this girl go finish him. This girl now go end down. He know already. He know. Because if he use Regina Daniel, to finish the juju when he won't do, everything will balance. Regina Daniel will go back to where he did. But if he not finish her, that means Regina Daniel will be his downfall. And now they happen so. The thing where make all these things where they happen when they see so, because the thing where they won't complete, they never complete and spiritual. They never complete them. If they complete that thing now, all these things where they happen, so it not go happen. The reason why all these things they happen, secrets they come out, trouble full everywhere, because the real ritual where is Regina Daniel supposed to go finish for Grandpapa, he no finish her. Mama Regina Daniel, protect your child. Oh. As sanity now they want you, so as sanity they have been using it and they want to finish it. Protect your child. Which husband go come outside, come bring results like this, come outside? He say not be imposter. People can't post them. Hospital can't deny. You can't carry and come outside. You can't claim, say, na true, na the results. Oga Senator, who post the results? Do you know it's a crime for a result to be outside? Who posted it? You did not even ask who posted it. You know arrest now. Because you dey arrest so well. You know arrest who posted now. Now you they say the result not true. You not find out who posted the result of the so-called woman you say you like. Where you they arrest the family, arrest everybody. Wonder shall never end, my people. Make we dey look before we leap. This is not only physical, not be only waiting una just they see so. Because if na only waiting una they see so, Regina Daniel, she for don't come out for this thing. If to say this thing na only Regina Daniel say no won't go rehab, she won't go meet her family. If to say na only that thing, Grandpapa for don't rest. There is more to it. Make una calculate. They say use your tongue to count your teeth. Why is he so insisting? You see, I say, see right now for there, say, people are saying, why am I so insisting? Yes, Oga, why are you insisting? Because you know why they insist. This is more than physical. If not only physical something I want for Regina Daniel, this man for just say, okay, make her rest. He gets other wives. Why Regina Daniel? Even if he can't love Regina Daniel, if to say na love, na into the act, if you not arrest the mother, if you go the beg. When a man wants a woman, the family of the woman, they go pour on water, the man go still the beg. But you, they arrest all of them. Because you are desperate of the things so you won't use the girl sanity to do. My people, wonder shall never end. This little girl, what did she go through? I'm not praying for my enemy. Regina Daniel have a very brutal story. Brutal story to tell. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you. Inshallah.